Hi, we are from RMD Engineering College. From currently final year, we are from Electronics and Communication Department. We are doing a mini project on embedded real system topic based on the topic car parking system using Arduino. And my teammates are Valam Harshavardhan, Saigun Shekhar, myself Mahesh, and Tanga Pradeepan. Let's see the abstract first. Efficient and smart way of automating the management of the parking system that allocates an efficient parking space using Arduino. This prototype is stimulated using Tinkercad. Ultrasonic distance sensor is used for the detect the car at entrance and parking slot. Now let us see the problem. With increases in the population, number of vehicles increases, and due to the undamaged parking, it leads to many problems. All vehicles enters into the parking and waste time for searching for parking slot. So we give a proposed solution for this. So to inform a person before entering the park about the number of available parking slots by a LCD display installed at the entrance, and by installing a barrier for the entrance and closing it once all parking slots are full, hence not allowing vehicle to enter until a slot is empty. So next followed by Mr. Tanga Pradeepan.
Thank you, Magesh. The components which are we used in this project are Arduino UNO R3, LCD 16:2 display, 10K ohm potentiometer, micro servo motor, ultrasonic distance sensor, 16 ohm resistor. Next slide. First of all, we discuss about what is Arduino. Arduino is an open source electronics platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read inputs light on a sensor. The Arduino UNO R3 is a microcontroller board based on a removable dual inline package at Mega 328 AVR microcontroller. It has 20 digital input-output pins, of which 6 can be used as PWM outputs and 6 can be used as analog inputs. Next slide. This is the block diagram of our project. In Arduino, there are 4 parking slots which is used to connect IR sensor. We connect three sensor in that, and one servo motor and ultrasonic sensor in exit gate control and entry gate control. We give power supply to the Arduino, and LCD display is used to get output to connect in the Arduino. Working is explained by my teammate Sai Gunashekar.
So working. When the car came near the sensor 1, the barrier lifts up and increases the parking count. When the car moves near to the sensor 2, the barrier lifts down. Now the car enters the slot 1. The car comes to the region sensor 3 in parking slot 1. The LCD display shows the number of parking slots left and which slots are left. This process repeats till the parking lot becomes full. Now the display shows parking full. When the car moves far from the sensor near to the updates, the slot is free. By moving car near to the sensor 2, the barrier lifts up and LCD shows that number of parking slots left. So this is the circuit design of our project. We have used 5 sensors. 2 sensors are at, one at the entrance and the other at the exit. And 3 sensors we have used at the parking, which is named as parking lot 1, 2, and 3. And we have used an LCD display to display the parking, which parking lot is free. And we have used the LCD brightness adjustment to adjust the brightness of the LCD display. So these advantages of this project are optimized parking, reduced traffic, real-time data, and trade insight. Now my friend Valam Harshavardhan will continue.
This is the prototype we have done on the Tinkercad. Now I will explain the code. In this code, we are first including servo motor.h and liquid crystal.h for LCD display. We are defining the pins 10, 9, 8, 7, 13 with respect to the IR sensor. Now we are initiating the servo motor with threshold 100 and parking available 3 and barrier state to 0. Now we are beginning this block is used to begin the LCD screen, we are using 16 comma 2 lines LED, cursor at the 0, and my servo motor at the 0 threshold. And we are by this block we read the distance from of the vehicle from the IR sensor. By using this void loop, we calculate the distance from the IR to vehicle, and we display the all sensor distance on the serial monitor of the IR sensor. Now we are going to write the barrier code with respect to 0, -1, 1, -2, 2 for closed and open for entrance, open for exit, and do not open as the vehicles are pulled in the slots. We are using if clause, and if barrier state equal to 0 and distance from the parking distance from the sensor greater than 0, and there is no parking vehicles at the slot. If any of the IR sensor has parking distance less than 100, then the IR sensor senses that the vehicle is the parking slot, so that the parking lot will be left out from the free. Like that, if the 3 parking slots are full, the second line of the LCD displays are parking full. When 3 vehicles enter from the IR sensor, then this shows that parking full. When any one of the vehicles from the slot move away from the sensor distance greater than 100, then they show that this slot is empty on the LCD display. Now I am starting my stimulation. Now starting 3 parking left, and slot 1, 2, 3 are free. This is sensor 1 for entry. Then one car is moving toward the sensor for the entry, and the barrier will lifts up. After that, the parking count is the left count is decreased. Now the vehicle is moving towards the IR2, so the barrier lifts down, and then the vehicle moves to the parking slot 1, and after parking slot 1, the vehicle comes near to in slot parking slot 1, the vehicle comes near to the IR sensor. Then the slot 2 and 3 are free. Now again repeat this step for pulling the slot. Now second vehicle is coming, barrier lifts up, and second vehicle moves down to and the second vehicle moves down to barrier 2 to close down the barrier. Now 2 parking slots are left. Then second vehicle is coming. Now let's go to the now we are going to slot. When the vehicle comes to near to slot 3, then the shows only slot 3 is empty, and again another vehicle come near to the slot. Then another so both 3 slots are full, so that only 2 slots are only also by moving away from the sensor shows that slot is empty, and for again slot 2 is empty. For IR1, slot 3 is empty. Thank you.